Hey there, welcome to this new security tutorial. Today we'll see what the unprotected test version issue is, and we'll see how we can fix it and make your app secure. So the actual issue is about Stripe and its API keys. So when you install Stripe, I installed a very basic plugin available on Bubble. You enter here live secret keys, a live publishable key, and here a secret key for development and a publishable key for development. You have to do that in order to be able to try your checkout. So let me explain you a little bit more what I mean. If I preview this page right now, I was on. So this one, I just have a workflow here that is paying $99 and it globally charges the current user with the current user email, $99 and some dummy data here. What's happening when I charge the current user being on the test version of my app? Here we can see a version test here. I'm not on the live version. What's going to happen is that Stripe will use my development keys right here and here. And my development keys will bring me to the development checkout, which is made to test my checkout. So if I click this button, now I'm redirected to Stripe and I can see here test mode, right? This is only available when you click Stripe button being on the test version of your Bubble app. And if I'm on this checkout and I want to pay, I actually don't have to enter a real credit card because this is for development or testing purposes. So I can use the fake Stripe credit card, which is 4242, etc. Only 42 and some random numbers here. I can put the random name here as well. And if I pay, so that's a completely fake card, right? This card does not exist. If I click pay, you probably know that, but it will work. Okay. So everything good. So everything acted like I entered a real credit card. But when being on the live version, this will not work anymore because Stripe will use those keys here, not those one anymore. And no one will be able to use the fake Stripe credit card with 4242, right? The problem is if you do not add a password and a username to access your test version, everyone can just log in on your test version by adding a version test to the end of the URL of your app, go to the Stripe test checkout and just purchase your plan on the test checkout, which means they can access everything they want for free and you won't even notice it. So what you have to do here is to prevent people of just going to your test version. Your test version here should only be accessible to you or developers developing on the app and needing to try that checkout in order to build the workflow properly, right? So what you want to do here is to restrict access to the version test. You only want people to access version live. So what you have to do here is to go to settings and general, and you'll see here limit access to this app with their username and password. And you want to check this box here. You'll have to define a username and a password. The best here is obviously not to put 123 and 123 because everyone could guess that. And you can also brute force this basic HTTP authentication. What you want to do here is add something really random. A clue I can give you is just to type on Google random password generator, and it will give you really strong passwords that no one will be able to guess. So you can, for example, copy this one, put it here as a username, and create a new one, and add this one as a password. You also do not want to apply this for live, so you have to check this box because otherwise the password will be applied also on live, and no one will be able to access your application anymore, and you don't want that. So that's it. Basically, your user won't be able anymore to use the Stripe test checkout. And everything will be working and you will have no security issues anymore. That's it. Thanks for watching.